In the previous video, I showed how to create users in Oracle Apex. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic menu system that loads menus based on user roles and permissions. This is the table for creating a dynamic menu. Each menu has its own ID, name, page number, and an active flag. The parent_ID creates a self-join, which allows us to build multi-level menus. Now I'll create an interactive grid so we can easily add and manage menu items from the application. I'm creating a new region and naming it Menu List. Set the region type to Interactive Grid and linked it to the PM_menu table. From the grid attributes, I enabled editing so we can insert and update menu records easily. For the parent_ID column, I'm adding an love so we can easily select a parent menu from the existing menu list. This helps build the menu hierarchy. For the active column, I'm converting it into a radio button with yes/no options so it's easier to control whether a menu is active or not. Here we need to enter the menu name and the page number. And if we want to create a parent-child structure, we'll select the parent menu from the parent field. I'm creating a new menu named Home and setting its page number to 1. Now I'm creating another menu called Setup. I'm not giving it any page number because this one will be used as a parent menu. Now I'm creating another menu called Owner List. I don't remember the page number for this menu, so I'll check it first before assigning it. The page number for this menu is 3. I'm assigning the parent of this menu to the Setup menu. Now I'm creating another menu called Item Information. The page number for this menu is 9. In the same way, I'll continue setting up a few more menus. So this way I've created almost all the menus for today. If I missed anything, I can always add it later.